Hi, today we're going to look at this 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This boat does include a tandem axle trailer. The boat is light blue with a white rub rail, stainless steel insert, silver graphics, and a white Mercury 200. This boat's equipped with both forward and aft seating. Let's get up inside and take a look. This boat is equipped with a Simrad electronics package, JL audio speaker system, Lenco trim tabs, digital throttle and shift. This also is equipped with a head with dockside pump out. As I said before, it does have the forward seating. You will get a fish box under here, anchor locker forward. Flip-flop seat here. Live well with rod holders on either side. Rear seating, flip up or flip down. You also have raw water wash down. For more questions on this boat, please contact us here at MarineMax in Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.